Hello everyone and namaste. In this episode, I'm going to share with all of you as to how to make a homemade kajal, also called kohal. And I know all of us like to use kajal to make our eyes well defined and beautiful. But buying kajal at the marketplace contains many harmful chemicals which can be very bad for our eyes. So today I have with me Sunita, who is going to share with us the recipe of making kajal at home. But before that, I want to share something about Sunita. Sunita is my yoga student, and she's a fantastic person and also a very talented student of mine. And it's really a pleasure and honor for me to host her. Thank you, Sunita, for coming over.
Thank you. Thank you for the sweet introduction, but I think she's referring to somebody else. So I think without much ado, let's kind of get started. So firstly, let's get to the ingredients. We need one small diya, which is a clay diya with no paintings, no coloring on that. Any block to kind of support, and it should be, try to get it the same height as the diya. Then the other ingredient is some cotton, which we are going to roll into a wick. And I have just filled, this is optional component, but I have put some methi seeds in that. This is good for hair growth, so if you want to grow your lashes in a natural way.
So you mean it's also fenugreek seeds?
Fenugreek seeds,
right.
yeah. And 1 drop of either coconut oil, castor oil. Again, this is up to your choice. You can use olive oil also. And 2 small containers to keep. I prefer 2 because in one we mix the oil and it gives a very creamy texture. The other one I store it as a powder, and the powder lasts for much longer.
Fantastic.
Okay, so let's get started by making the wick.
I hold you. Thank you.
Thank you, Pavel. So we're just gonna cover it nicely, and
So
like
bring it next to you.
like how you make any, Diwali wick, you just make it with that.
Yeah.
I will see some seeds are falling out. Never mind, just put it into the diya, and you line it nicely. And we need the ghee to light. We forgot to mention one key ingredient, which is the ghee,
Clarified butter.
clarified butter. So we roll the cotton wick and we dip it in ghee like we light any lamp for Diwali. And now we're going to light the lamp.
Okay, so basically what Sunita has done, that she puts some fenugreek seeds inside the cotton wool, and then she made a roll like a wick, and then she put it inside the diya. You have to make sure the diya has to be plain, no painting, nothing. And then she put at least 3 teaspoons of ghee inside it so that it's completely absorbed into the ghee. And now Sunita is going to
Light the lamp.
so I think now Sunita is going to cover this wick with the steel bowl, a small steel bowl, yes.
And the soot is going to collect in that. So as you can see, this is the way to arrange the bowl.
So you have to wait for like 5 to 6 minutes till you have to completely burn the wick.
Ideal approach would be we finish burning the whole wick, so we get all the soot, and this should be enough kajal for a few months actually.
Wow, few months you mean? Wow. That's a brilliant thing, man, I must say. So we just have to wait for some time for the wick to be completely burnt, and we're collecting the soot in this steel bowl. And so I think you need to have if you see, we have created a height for our steel bowl so that you can use something available at your house as well to create this height to cover the wick with the steel bowl, preferably steel bowl.
Yes, because it gets very hot and glass would crack, and so steel is ideal. It's easy to wash, and it will not leave a mark of the soot.
And it gets really hot, so you can use either the gloves or some paper hand towels to remove the steel bowl afterwards. So we are still waiting for the wick to burn completely.
Yes, and I think it's finished burning now.
All right.
So let's open and see. It's going to be very hot, so use.
Let me get a tissue. You can use a tissue. That's right.
To take a tissue to just open this.
Yeah.
And okay, yeah, it's at the final stages of burning, and this is how you'll see that the ghee is over and the wick is almost burnt and done, and you'll see your kohal, the soot collected in the bowl. Okay, After these are very easy steps. We're going to take one spoon, dry spoon,
So you take a dry spoon, okay?
and just scrape the oval out of the bowl. And as I said, we'll collect some dry powder into.
Which one's the dry powder? We already have some pre-collected powder, right? Is this the one?
Yes, yes. So we're going to collect the dry in this, and in this I'm going to add a little castor oil, which is going to help in hair growth of the lashes.
Wow.
Just one tiny drop. So this is a dropper. Okay, 2 drops, and mix it with the spoon.
Can you speak a little louder?
Okay, so we're just mixing the castor oil. I put 2 drops and I'm just making into a nice cream.
So like a smudgy one, yeah?
We'll show you both how it looks for the effect. I think I'll add one more drop. This, when you start mixing, you can tell whether, if you have made a large quantity, you might have to add more than 2 drops. But the texture should be like, the kajal which you buy from the store. That texture is what we are gunning for. You want to put on me or I'll put on you?
Okay, put on me. I don't mind. Just
I'll
to
show
test,
it on
just
yeah.
to test it, yeah?
So I'm just going to show it on my hand
Ah,
first.
that's nice.
So this is how it looks. Very good at this application.
I think it's with one eye.
So you can tell the difference?
Yeah?
Okay, so this is the kajal one. Now we'll just show you the powder, the feel which you get.
I think you should put another one also. That is very weird, right? On one eye and this.
Yeah.
No, none on the other eye. Woman with one eyeliner.
Okay. Oh, good. How do I do this now?
Oh, eyes closed.
Okay, I think this is the one thing.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay.
And I like to put the powder one on the lower lash actually.
Ah, okay. So one is the with little oil and one is just the powder, isn't it?
Yes. It's just something which I got. It looks like this. And this is the powder. Oh.
So powder, you can just place it under your lower eyelids, yeah?
But I don't have a mirror, so I shall.
The mirror is here. There you go.
Oh, perfect.
That looks really nice.
This is very natural.
Yeah, this is very lightish, not so dark like what we had with the oil.
Yes.
Oh, that looks very nice. Let me see myself. Hey, not bad at all, man. Sunita, this is amazing, man. I must tell you that I really enjoyed having you, and thank you for teaching all these tips of making kohal. Guys, please try first of all and give us your valuable feedback and your comments. And if you have any questions, do write us in. We'd love to answer your questions. And thank you for joining in. And I hope you enjoyed this as much as we enjoyed teaching you guys, and specifically Sunita teaching all of us. So please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when the next video goes online. Thank you so much for all your love and support.
Till then, take care and Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye bye.